Yeah, the recovery at regional airport is really moving ahead. We see regional airports outperforming compared to other larger airports and hubs. As of February, I think they were at 93% of traffic recovered compared to pre-pandemic levels 2019, so that's very good, compared to 87% for larger airports and hubs. Similarly, they've seen their connectivity recovering much faster than larger airport and hubs. This is obviously very much driven by leisure demand, VFR, which is positioning regional airports in a very good spot for this recovery. But also by the low-cost carriers, and especially ultra-low-cost carriers, adding a lot of capacity in the market and really driving their recovery. I think we can see there's a structural change in the market.
Yeah.
Low-cost carriers really, and ultra-low-cost carriers in particular, are increasingly defining the fate of regional airports moving forward. We have data that shows that the connectivity offered by network carriers out of regional airports has been decreasing by up to 16%. Whereas actually the connectivity offered by regional low-cost carriers has been increasing by up to 70%. So we have this fundamental shift in the market, which creates some challenges as well. I mean, it's positive news because they bring volumes, they bring traffic, but it comes with challenges because, of course, low-cost carriers are very opportunistic. They can move location at the blink of an eye. So a lot of heightened airport competition, especially for regional airports, and also a lot of pressure on user charges, so that leads to still a difficult economic and financial situation. Well, I think when we look at what's coming at EU level, especially with this so-called Fit for 55 package, which is about leading to the decarbonization of aviation by 2050, and which we obviously support, we need to think about redressive and compensatory measures, because actually all these regulatory measures will have the effect of increasing the cost of traveling, and as a result they will have a downward impact on demand in the future. And because the geographic scope of those measures is mostly about intra-European flights, that means that actually regional air connectivity is going to be the most impacted by that. So that's clearly a concern for us, because you compromise the ability of regional airports to continue to develop connectivity for their communities. So it's risk to cohesion, to territorial inequality, and we feel that down the line there might be even the risk of a backlash against climate action once people in these communities realize that the climate action coming from Europe is actually impacting their connectivity and their potential to further develop and support the economy. So we need more supporting and accompanying measures to kind of cushion the impact of that. Well, I think that's going to be a landmark event. We'll bring the whole global airport community to Europe, to Barcelona. We have a fantastic program with all our institutional stakeholders, industry partners. We're going to review, of course, trading conditions, address the key challenges that airports globally are facing, and I think it's going to be a great event. So please do join us in Barcelona.